Minix, back with another video, and today I'm here with my Grandma Rev, and Aunt Roberta.
Hi everyone.
Hello, good to be back with you.
And today we're going to be making lemon pie.
Yeah, it's just an easy recipe we've been making for years. Mom, she makes it really good. So she's going to do a big part of it, as long as her arms will hold out. So we have a homemade crust, but you can use a store-bought crust, but you want to bake it first before you put the filling in it. And then we're going to do a meringue for the topping.
If you would like our homemade crust, just click up here and you'll see the recipe. And you will like it very, very much.
Yeah, homemade's the best.
That's right.
Okay, let's get started.
Here's our baked pie crust. We already got that baked and ready to go when we get the filling you're fixed up. 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of cornstarch. Mix that up. Then you take a cup and a half
Cold water.
cold water. Stir it in slowly. Put your water in. Stir these in slowly. 3 egg yolks. You put your you keep your whites so that you can make a frosting. Okay, now I'm going to put it on the heat. You cook that, bring to a boil over medium heat for 1 minute.
For 1 minute, starting to boil. I'm going to use the whisk on it. Okay, now we want to remove it from the heat. Put in a tablespoon of butter and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Mix that up well. It's up now, so we'll pour it in the crust.
Looking good.
Okay, we're going to let it cool for a little bit, then we'll make the meringue. Okay, now we're going to make the meringue. We've got our 3 egg whites that we saved from the pie filling. So you want to beat this. Probably take about 5 minutes. So you want it about like that, just a little bit stiff, and we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar and beat it again. Okay, so we're going to add this to the pie. We let it cool for a little while, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. And you put this on top. I use a spatula, sometimes I use a knife just to get some peaks.
So I don't know.
Okay, and we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. We'll start out at 10. Okay, after 10 minutes it was done, so there's our pie. So we're going to let it cool down a little while and then we'll try it.
Okay guys, we're back and the lemon pie is done. It looks really good, so now we're going to try it.
I'm sure it'll be good. And we still love our milk. Gotta have milk with the pie. You can still have fun when you're old.
Yeah, you guys approve of that?
Just get with some young people and they'll make you feel young again.
Yeah.
If you enjoy this video, please subscribe. They will enjoy getting your subscription. One time I said prescription. It's subscription.
Sure is good pie.
You must try making this pie. The recipe is easy. Just takes a little cooking, and it's really good. Your whole family will like it.
Also be sure to leave a like and a comment telling us what we should make next. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bye. I put the lemon juice in.
You put it in with the butter.
I know, at the end you're supposed to, but I had water in one and lemon juice in one, and I'd put the lemon juice in for the water. I couldn't tell.
Oh.
Now it's not, I think we're gonna have to start over.
We gotta have our milk.
We gotta have our milk, yeah.
It ain't gonna turn out,
Huh?
so we
It
gotta
ain't?
start over. Mom, you make it this time.
Well,
It's not
you're not
good.
gonna throw it away, are you?
What can
It ain't good.
Huh?
It ain't gonna get thick.
Let's see.
I'm not gonna put the butter in it. And it looks like I let it stick.
Oh.
I think you should have made it.
You did. But don't throw it away.
Okay, if we can get Mom off of Facebook, we can get started.
I'll try. I'll lay it right there.
You know what they tell me with this virus going around? I need to be out walking, running, and doing exercise. And I told him if the Lord wanted me to touch my toes, He'd put them on my waist.
You need a.
Isn't that true? I can't touch my toes, I'm too old. I don't know what's so funny.
I get choked on my milk. Oh my.
It's good to be back with these young people. Oh my gosh. Old age comes at the wrong time. You think you begin to know it all, then you forget it. One time, I'll tell you something else. One time, I thought I put my shoes on the wrong foot. Come to find out, I didn't know whose foot I put it on. Now they tell you, when you get old, they said, "Oh my, you're looking good." That's a sure sign of getting old.
I guess I'm not that old.
You're not old enough to look good yet.
But we still like our milk.
Yeah.
Cheers with our milk.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. We love our milk.
Yeah, we like.
Yep,
That's
we
the
love
reason
milk.
we're getting old. We can live longer.